Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a webinar in Microsoft Teams. This is a powerful way to host professional online events, whether you're presenting to your team or reaching a larger public audience. Let's walk through the entire setup process step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Calendar. This is where all your meetings and events are managed, and it's also where you'll create your webinar. Now, in the upper right corner of the calendar view, you'll notice an arrow down beside the New button. Click on that arrow, and from the drop-down menu, select Webinar. This opens up the webinar creation interface, which gives you much more control than a standard meeting. The first thing you'll need to do is give your webinar a title. Choose something clear and descriptive that reflects what your event is about. Then set a start date and end date for your webinar. Make sure these times align with your audience's availability. Below that, input a description for your webinar. This is where you can explain what attendees will learn or experience, so take a moment to write something informative and engaging. Next, you have the option to add co-organizers and presenters. Co-organizers help you manage the event, while presenters are the people who will be speaking or sharing content. If you need to bring in someone from outside your organization, click Add External Presenters. This allows you to invite guest speakers or collaborators who don't have access to your team's environment. Now, under Event Access, you'll see two options. You can choose either your organization, which limits attendance to people within your company, or Public, which opens the webinar to anyone with the registration link. Select the option that fits your event's purpose. You'll also see toggles for Enable Attendee Emails and Allow Sharing to Social Media from Event Site. Turning on attendee emails means registrants will receive confirmation and reminder messages, which is helpful for keeping engagement high. Allowing social media sharing lets attendees promote your event, which can increase visibility. Under Attendee Experience, you'll find several toggles that control what attendees can do during the webinar. You can enable or disable Allow Mic for Attendee, Allow Camera for Attendee, and Q&A. These settings depend on how interactive you want your webinar to be. For example, turning on Q&A allows attendees to ask questions during the event. Once you've configured these settings, click on Theming on the left side. Before you proceed with customizing the theme, click Save to save all the information you've entered so far. Wait until the save process completes. Now, in the theming section, you can upload a logo and choose a theme color that matches your brand or event style. This helps create a professional and cohesive look. Next, click on Configuration under Registration on the left side. Here, you can adjust the event capacity, which sets the maximum number of attendees. You can also add fields to the registration form to collect specific information. For example, click Add Field and select Job Title, then toggle Required if you want this to be mandatory. You can add more fields by clicking Add Field again and selecting options like Organizations. Once you're done customizing the registration form, click Publish Site at the top of the screen. Then click Save and Publish. Wait until the save process is fully complete. Once it's done, you'll see a Share Link option. You can copy this link and send it to your intended audience, allowing them to register for your webinar, and that's it. You've successfully set up a webinar in Microsoft Teams, complete with custom branding, registration, and attendee controls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.